Variables are used to store values so that they can be used several times in a script. To create a variable, we use the var keyword followed by the variable name, and to assign it a value, we use the assignment operator. We can also combine the declaration and assignment into one statement. The name of the variable can include underscore characters and numbers, but it cannot start with a number. To access the value stored in a variable, we just need to refer to the variable name. As for the data types, JavaScript is an untyped language, so any variable can hold any value type. Integers can be represented with either decimal, octal, or hexadecimal notation, and floating point numbers can also be represented with the exponential notation. Note that all numbers in JavaScript are stored as floating point numbers. Strings can be specified using either double or single quotes. To break a line within a string, we must add a backslash, since a new line in JavaScript normally means the end of a statement. Backslash is also used as the escape character to add special characters to the string, such as new lines or quotes. For storing Boolean values, the keywords true and false can be used, and for storing no value, there is the null keyword. This is different from leaving out the assignment. The variable then becomes undefined, which is equal to not a number for numbers, undefined for strings, and false when evaluated as a Boolean. The scope of a variable depends on where it is declared. A variable that is declared outside of a function becomes a global variable and can be used anywhere on the page after where it's been declared, even inside another script. The lifetime of these variables starts when they are declared and ends when the web page is closed. On the other hand, a variable declared inside of a function becomes a local variable. It can only be used inside that function after where it's been declared, and it will be destroyed when the function is finished. A local variable can use the same name as a global variable and will thereby overshadow it for the duration of the function. There is also a second way for declaring variables, by leaving out the var keyword and thereby declaring it implicitly. A variable declared like this will always become a global variable, even if it's declared within a function.